KG. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Today we will see what are the animals' food, what the animals eat. Okay, let's see here. Now we have the rabbit. What does the rabbit eat? The rabbit eats carrot. Rabbit eats carrot. Eats carrot. What the rabbit eats? Carrot. Yes, bravo. Carrot. Okay, now the sheep. What does the sheep eat? The sheep eats the grass. It eats grass. 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 What is this? Grass. Okay. Now, what does the tiger eat? The tiger eats meat. Meat. What's this? What he's eating? The meat. Meat. What's this? Meat. Bravo. Excellent. This is meat. The tiger eats meat. Okay, now the bird, what does the bird eat? The bird eats seeds. 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 What it eats? Seeds. Yes, the bird eats seeds. Okay, now let's watch this video together. Now the goat, what does the goat eat? The goat eats grass. Also the horse, zebra, they eat grass. Grass. Okay. Now what does the tiger eat? The tiger eats meat. The tiger eats meat. What does the owl eat? It eats meat also. The eagle eats meat. They eat the animals, other animals. Now the bear, what does the bear eat? What he is eating here? Fish. The squirrel, he wants to eat what? The ants. The chicken, they eat the seeds. Okay, KG, hope you enjoyed our lesson today. I will see you next time. Bye.